Welcome, in front of me is a WIEPPO S5, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. Now to get started, simply hold power key, and once you see the option to select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you want to hold power key and the volume up. So power, volume up, hold both of those keys. And there we go, so we should be in the boot mode. So from here, using volume up only, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then confirm it with volume down. And you should then see Android with no command. There we go. And to get past this, hold power key and press volume up once, and you will be in recovery mode. And in this mode you can use both of the volume keys to navigate. So you want to select wipe cache partition, and once it's selected, confirm with power key. It will begin, as you can see, cache wipe complete, and reboot system now is selected by default, so press power key once more. And this will now go back to Android. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.